Frequent flyer, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. And if you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. Today we're going to do an unboxing. I haven't done an unboxing on my channel for quite some time now. This little X-Drone Nano 2.0. I think I featured it in Throwback Thursday. And this thing was found at Walmart for 13 bucks. And so I ordered me one. And so now I'm going to do this unboxing to see what it comes with. I wanted to share that with you guys, my unboxing of this thing and my experience of what actually comes with it and all. And I'm also going to check and see if it's on the same protocol and all of that stuff. So let's get it. We got the bat knife on deck. So check it out. That would be awesome if it came looking like this. This one is silver and black and white. So let's get in this box and see what it comes with. I doubt if it's going to be that awesome. I think it's going to be the normal orange and black. Orange and white, whatever the color is. Looks like the box is busted right here already. So hopefully it hasn't been damaged or anything. And it's the normal orange and black and white. We have the instructions manual in here. It does look like we have a different color transmitter. The transmitter is black and white now. So black and white transmitter. Everything else appears to be the same. We got the USB charger in here. A screwdriver. We have a prop removal tool. And we have some props in there. There we go. And so it appears to be the same exact thing. So I don't know if it's on the same protocol. That's the big question. We're definitely going to check it out though. Let's take this guy for a fly and check it out. All right, y'all. So I'm pretty sure that this thing is the exact same as the previous one, as the classic one. In fact, this is the classic transmitter here. So check it out. I did a test hover indoors, so I just want to fly it around out here. Check it all the way out. It has the stock props on it. So check it out. This is the yaw rate. I think the yaw rate stays the same. Side flying here. Forward flight, backwards flight. Best of a hover on low rates. We're on second rate now. That's the yaw. So pretty decent yaw. Maybe yaw does change. I don't know. But this is side flying. That definitely changed. And here's forward and backwards flight. Little funnel. Got them props on it with the stock props on here. A little heavy with those props on it. Let's go to the third rate. We're in third rate. Let's look at the yaw. So yeah, yaw stays the same. Side flying. And we're going down. Forward flight, backwards flight. This thing gets super fast now. Check it out. Oh. And it's a little heavy with these props on it, I guess. With these stock props, they're a little smaller than the ones that I have on mine. Now remember why I switched them out. Oh no! And it's upside down. So I guess I'm gonna have to go down there and grab it. Alright, so I ran and picked it up. Figured I might as well bring it out here. Fly it around a little bit. Kind of windy out here too. I'm almost at full throttle to stay in the air with this thing right now. It's flying nice though. Should have took those props off before I brought it out here. Can't really do any hard turns. You see there, it jerks, and then on my fast turns, it's losing altitude. Oh, I forgot to try flips. Do a flip. Got a flip in at least while we still got some battery. And that's pretty good on battery. I've been flying it around without charging it. I flew it up there on the deck. Now I'm flying it out here. There we go. So once you arm the flip, it'll beep until you actually give a direction. See, I can't even get a fast funnel going with it without it descending. I gotta go up high to do some funnels. Just above that sign over there. That was kind of fast. Let's see if we got enough battery for another flip. Yep, we're still flipping. I don't know what makes me want to fool around with these trees over here. But I'm gonna resist. Yeah, I think the wind is winning the battle with these props on, these prop protectors. Oh, the wind blew it right into me. And it's dead. I can't even get back in the air with it. So I guess that's going to be it for this flight. So it's the X-Drone Nano 2.0. Still the same classic from way back in the day actually, and this thing is still awesome. Check it out. You can get this thing for $13 now at Walmart online. Thanks for watching.